Good morning, children. Welcome to your science class. Okay, you have done your homework well, and your lesson name is Changes Around Us. Yes or no? Yes. Changes around us. And I gave you your homework. Okay, one orange ripening is there. You are given two answers for this. Orange ripening. Okay. Nowadays, ripening of fruits has become artificial also. If you are writing natural on the tree, the orange gets ripened. Even if you add some chemicals, and nowadays people are doing, they will add some chemicals and make the oranges ripe. Okay, it is man-made. Actually, we don't say man-made, you have to say natural only. But nowadays, this is also happening, so I can't say it wrong. Okay, both the ways it is correct. Okay, now moving into the lesson. Okay, I am waiting for this table. Okay, many of you have not completed this table, ma. Okay, many of you have not completed. Complete it. We have few questions related to this table. We will do it. I'll give you 2 more days. Please do it. Okay, if you do only, it will be easy to understand. Okay, nothing is there. You have to just minus it. Okay. Now, natural and man-made changes you have learned now. Now, you will learn about fast and slow changes. Fast change and slow change. Okay. Slow change. Okay. I have rubbed it. This is a fast change. Yes or no? Yes. Now, we are taking two examples. Continuously this lesson we have two examples. Milk turning into curd and seasons changing we are doing now. Now, taking two examples. Milk to curd and seasons changing. Okay, among these two, which is fast, which is slow? Okay, which is fast, which is slow? Milk to curd is taking fast change or seasons change is fast? This is fast and this is slow. When you compare these two, okay? Yes or no? Yes. This is a fast change, this is a slow change. And now, switch on and switch off. When you are oning a switch, light is glowing. When you are oning a switch, fan is running. Okay? Switching on TV. Okay? Among these three, which is fast? Which change is fast? This is a faster. Yes or no? When you compare these two, now I am rubbing this. Among this, which is fast? Milk turning to curd, switching on TV. Which is fast? This is fast and this is slow. When you compare, this will become fast, this is slow. Now I am writing plant growing. Okay. Now, which is fast? Which is slow? When you compare, this plant is growing. This will take time. This is slow. This is fast. Overnight you will get curd, but overnight plant will not grow. Yes? Slow, fast. Previously you learned about natural change and man-made change. Now we are reading about slow, fast change. Okay? And one more change is there. Okay, I will tell you. Temporary change and permanent change. Temporary change. Permanent change. First I want to explain the meaning of these two. What is temporary? What is permanent? Okay? Temporary change and permanent change. I am having this marker. Okay, I am writing. I have rubbed. This is temporary. See, I made a change on the board. How? By writing a line. I have rubbed it. The change is good. This is temporary. If you take a permanent marker and write, if you rub, will it go? It will not go. It will stay like that. That is permanent. And few more examples. See, specific question is there. It will be there forever. Yes or no? Will it change? No. Will it change? No. Like that. That is not a change, but I am saying just like that to understand. Okay. This is temporary marker. When you put a permanent marker, if you rub also, it will not go. That is a permanent change. This is a temporary change. Now I am moving here and there. Yes or no? This is temporary. See, I am here. I am moving and coming back to the same place. This is temporary change. And sun is rising in the morning. It will set in the evening. Again tomorrow morning sun will rise. That is temporary change. Okay? Yes or no? Yes. Now, your house is there. Will it go and come? No. It is a permanent. Your father has constructed a house. It will stay there long for ever. Ever in the sense for so long. It is a permanent change. Okay? You are growing. I am there. Will I become small again? No, I'll be like this. I am a permanent change. Okay? I am a permanent change. Temporary means, children be quiet. Permanent change means it will not change. It will be like that forever. One change has happened means, see, you take, see, when you go to villages, what your grandmother will cook, she will cook. She will not cook on the stove. She may be cooking. They will also use these sticks for cooking and all. No, they will burn the sticks. You have seen, no? You are burning a stick. It will turn into ash. Yes or no? ఒక కర్రని కాల్చేస్తారు, బూడిద వస్తుంది. Can you turn this బూడిద means ash? Can you turn this ash into stick again? No. That is a permanent change. The stick has turned into ash. That is a permanent. You can't get it back. So it is not temporary. It is permanent. When you get it back, that means you are getting back. That is temporary. If you are not getting it back, it stays like that. That is permanent change. Now, in your textbook, we are having few. I will explain, but don't write now. After I explain, you yourself has to do this. Okay? Page number 101, this table, I will write these examples and I will explain. But you yourself has to do as homework. Till now what you have read, you will do it in this. Okay? Page 101. This is textbook. Okay? Table. Table 4. Okay? Homework. Okay? I will explain. No need to worry. Change. Okay, this one I am speaking from starting from the lesson. Milk to curd. Change in seasons. Change of ice into water. And vice versa. And water into ice. See, when I am writing, you think in your mind. Rusting of iron. Anyone I will not explain you. You will try. Natural things I will not explain. Okay, but later I will explain. Okay, no need to worry. In the next session, I will explain. Melting of ice cream. See, this both are similar actually. Egg to boiled egg. Okay. Electric bulb on off. Electric bulb on or off. Okay. Now change in touch me not plant. This is a touch me not means this is one type of plant. Okay. Now I will explain you in brief. You have to tell whether these are the temporary, man-made, permanent. Three types: slow, fast, permanent, temporary. Man-made, natural. These three types you have read. Now you have to say this. Change from milk to curd. These two you have to do it by yourself. From starting onwards I am speaking. Yes. This is a slow change. Slow when compared to this. Yes or no? When compared to this is a fast change. Okay. Now this is a man-made change. Yes or no? This is permanent. You can't bring curd to milk. Okay. Now change in seasons. Slow change. Yes or no? Slow. And it is a temporary. Again you will get rainy season in the next year. Yes. Who is doing this one? Man is doing. No. It is by nature. Natural change. Change of ice into water. Water into ice. When you keep water in the deep freeze, it will turn into ice. When you bring out, again the ice will turn into water. What is happening here? This is a man-made. We are doing. If you are putting in a refrigerator, it will turn into ice in a deep freeze. When you are taking it out and putting at warm temperature, it is melting and turning into water. It is a man-made change. And it is a slower fast. When you put outside, it will melt faster. But when you keep it in the fridge, it will take some time. Yes or no? It will take some time. A little bit slow. It is a man-made change. And it is temporary change. Now it also occurs naturally. Where in polar regions. Okay, where like in foreign countries when the snow falls. Okay. It will melt naturally also. When the season changes, it will melt naturally. That is, we don't bother about other countries. We will bother about our country. So, when we bother in our country, it is man-made change. Okay? Rusting of iron. Rusting of iron. Old iron metals, iron things. Tuppu. Rusting means tuppu battanam. Okay? Rusting means tuppu battanam. Any bucket or something is there. Tuppu battai. Again, will you get it back as it is same when it is new? No. The trusted place will get spoiled. It is a permanent change. Yes or no? One small inaparayaku undanukondi. Adu tuppu padutundi. Paadaipotundi. Will you get the same shape as it is? No. It is a permanent change. Who is making? Nature. It is a natural change. See, rusting of iron is natural. You are not making it to rust. It is occurring by itself due to environmental changes like the temperature, weather, humidity. So it is natural change, slow change, permanent change. Okay. Growth in plants. Growth in plants is a slow change, permanent change, natural change. It is slow. Yes. When plant is grown this much, can you bring it back? No. And it is slow, permanent and natural change. And in plant, one more thing. If it grows this much, it will not stay like that. It won't be permanent like this. It will even grow. Then we can't even say that is permanent. When you take big trees, it is permanent change. When it is a small plant, it will be keep growing. Even that is considered as temporary. Okay. Now, rice to cooked rice. You have to tell this. Daily your mother is doing this part. Rice to cooked rice. Rice. You are making rice. Okay. This is not very slow or very fast. It is, you can say fast only. Okay. Within 15 minutes or 10 minutes you will get this change. Okay. This we can say it as fast, not faster. Fast change. And it is, who is doing? your mother is doing. That is man-made change. And how you can get back the rice? No. So it is permanent change. Melting of ice cream. Same. Ice cream you are eating. It will melt. If you are standing outside, it will melt. You are not allowing to, you are not doing. By nature itself it is happening. Yes or no? If you are standing in the sun, it will melt. Who is doing? Sun is doing. So it is natural change. It is natural change. Again, if you keep it in fridge, it will get freezed. So it is temporary change, and it is fast also, little bit faster. Egg to boiled egg. Okay, if you boil egg for 10 minutes, yes, it will turn into boiled egg. Can you bring back the boiled egg into normal egg? No, it is a permanent change. Yes, it is a permanent change. Fast means little bit fast change. Man-made change. Electric bulb on and you are oning a bulb, immediately the light turns. It is a fast change. And who is doing? You are doing. Man-made change. Is it permanent? If you off it again, it will go now. So it is not a permanent. It is temporary. You can on it, you can off it. Yes or no? You can do it vice versa. So it is temporary. Changes in touch me not plant. Touch in your book it is given touch me not. Changes in touch me not. Plant. That is a plant. When you touch that plant, it will close. It will close. And after some time you move away. After some time slowly it will start opening. Okay. Again when you go and touch, again it will close. After some time again slowly it will open. This is not slow change. It will take little time. Okay. And this is man. Who is doing? We are touching it now. Yes or no? You are touching. It may occur by man. Okay. If you touch, it will close. Who is touching? We are touching. Who is closing? Tree is closing. Okay. It is natural change. Okay. And is it permanent? No. It is temporary change. It is temporary. See here one you have to, we are touching, but what is occurring to this plant? Plant is closing. Yes or no? It occurs a little bit slow and it is temporary. Again it will open. Okay. This you will write it. Okay. Any mistakes are there, I will tell you. Okay. This is your homework, children. Thank you.